Hey everybody, welcome to Mortgage Today for Monday, June 24th, 2024, and oh, what a day it was. UMBS were up 5 basis points in the morning, which is basically flat. Nasdaq 100 futures were under pressure with Nvidia Corp set for a third day of losses as investors cooled on tech sky-high valuations. Nvidia slid 3% in early trading, taking its market value further below Apple Inc. and Microsoft Corp. France's Eurofins Scientific SE was the main stock mover in European trading, shedding 20% after the laboratory testing equipment company was targeted by Carson Block's Muddy Waters research. Markets are heading into a period filled with political risk, with the first round of voting in the French preliminary election on Sunday and polls showing gains for the far-right national rally. Tuesday will bring the first U.S. presidential debate between Joe Biden and Republican challenger Donald Trump. The week ahead will have a lot of real estate data with home prices and pending home sales. We will get the third revision to Q1 GDP, which is inflation, and get personal income outlays on Friday, which will give us an all-important PCE price index. Existing home sales fell 0.7% month over month in May, according to NAR. This is a decline of 2.8% compared to a year ago. The median home price rose 5.8% on a year-over basis to $419,300. There are about 1.28 million units for sale, which represents 3.7 months supply at the current sales pace. A balanced market is 6 to 7 months worth of supply. However, keep in mind, typically 30 to 40% of these are under contract. The FHFA conditionally approved Freddie Mac's second lien pilot lending program, but it did listen to industry concerns about crowding out the private sector. The 18-month program will be limited to $2.5 billion and then reassessed. There will be a $78,277 max borrowing amount on loans that are at least 24 months seasoned. Questions remain about the ability to refinance the second lien without the first pricing and how second liens will be securitized. It was a snoozer of a day for bonds, with yields and MBS prices holding well inside of last Friday's ranges for the entirety of the day. And inside day isn't much of a surprise when the calendar is completely empty in terms of major economic data. In fact, it was devoid of all manner of economic data. That left only a few Fed speeches, and as the recent norm, Fed speakers are all saying the same thing, thus no surprises. At the 3 p.m. close, both Treasuries and MBS were perfectly unchanged. Like I said, they closed the day up 5 basis points, 100.72. So at 100.72, we're still in that wide range, the upper half of the wide range. The ceiling at the 100.872 Fibonacci, it's been tested several times and does not break through, and we got 3 floors below it. But in terms of things you can control, is check out the post on our sponsor at thatmakesense.com. This is the third part of a video series from the great book Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort. Yeah, he's not a great person, but he definitely could sell, and he's got some great tips for selling things. So check out the video on www.thatmakesense.com.